Hey y'all. Yeah, I'm out here at the lake, as you can see. I'm here on the jet ski. I don't know if you can see, I'm just, recording like some idiot. So anyway, thought I would share with you guys a little bit of the lake and show you the cool lighthouse. So I'm just going to video some stuff for you. Alright, check it out. Let's see. Let me figure this thing out. I'm on the jet ski, so forgive me. There's a cool lighthouse. There it is. Really neat. Out here on the point. Neat marina. Cool sailboats and such. Neat houseboats. Very cool lighthouse. And yeah, basically I'm out here in the water. I'm here on the jet ski, as you can see, chilling, hanging with other boats, people. So anyways, yeah, we're having some fun. So yeah, it's a good time. But yeah, yeehaw, lots of waves, a lot of traffic. It's fun. So I'm gonna pause it for a few until I find a good spot, and then I'm gonna have some fun for you. All right? Okay. So you're about to experience 0 to 60 or plus in a first-person point of view from the jet ski with me. Alright? So hold on to your panties. So here we go. Ready? Hold on. Alright. We're at idle right now, okay? Hang tight. Here we go. And this is going to be fast. And it's probably going to be loud, so hang tight. So did that car your toes? Woo! Yeah, it's fun. Hope you liked it. See ya!